Hello, students. Welcome to the India's largest live learning platform, that is Grade Up. And yes, this is the Achievers Corner of GATE and USC 2021. And here we have yet another successful story with us. That is the Sai Teja. He has secured All India rank 27 in the Electronics and Communication Engineering in the GATE 2021 examination. So, heartiest congratulations, Sai, on your success. And
Thank
thank
you,
you
sir.
for joining us in this session. So first of all, before interacting any specific question to you, I would like you to introduce yourself in your words.
Like, uh, I am currently studying final year BTech Electronics and Communication from NIT Rourkela. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
So,
So what was your grade performance? I mean, how many marks out of 100? What is the score out of
like
100?
initially after the exam, uh, I have got 63 marks out of 100
Okay.
and 898 score out of 1000.
Okay. Great. So you are currently in final year, is it right?
Yes, sir.
So, final year, many times students will have some placement options also. So, did you opt for
Yes,
placement?
sir. Yes, sir.
You were only dedicated towards the gate preparation.
Actually, I have tried for placement, but there was not much opportunities this year. So, I
Okay,
have gone for GATE
okay. So, when did you start preparing for gate?
from the midweek of August. Complete preparation from midweek August. August.
August. Okay, that means you prepared for around, say 5 or 6 months only.
Yes, sir.
All right, chalo, great. So, how did you complete the entire syllabus in 5, 6 months, and also you managed the revision? What was your strategy?
Actually, studying for semester exam helped me a lot, sir, because that helped me not that helped me like I don't want to start from the basic. So, like I have open syllabus, I have seen the syllabus, and I have started from topics which I have no well. So I have studied that first, and then after completing means I have confidence in 70% of the syllabus. So then I went for test series. So during
Okay.
the test series, when I get doubt, so I will clarify right away at that time. So that helped me a lot. Actually, test series helped me a lot for preparation.
Okay. So, means your semester knowledge and your test series balance your preparation for the gate exam. That's what I can put it like this. Right.
Yes, sir.
So, what was your main
Yes,
motive of
sir.
appearing for GATE? Matlab, what made you opt the GATE examination? There has to be some motivation why I want to do this.
Sir, actually, I was aiming for placements,
Okay.
but I don't have enough opportunities. So there should be something in a goal for future career. So I have thought about all opportunities. I thought GATE is the best for me. So I have started preparation for that.
Okay. That's great. And it's good that you have achieved. Means this simply proves that if you are very dedicated and honest with your preparation, so even in the 6 months' time, you are able to, get a very good rank like 27 in the GATE examination as well. In your
Sir,
preparation, did you face any challenges? And if yes, what was the challenges if you faced in your preparation of GATE?
yes, sir. Due to this lockdown, as I'm at home, there were no enough resources for me. There were no books. If I am at college, there will be books I can read, and there is no stable internet connection for me at my home. So that is a major challenge I face. So I used to study at nights
Okay,
so that there will be good stable internet connection so that I can assemble all resources and study according to that.
okay. Fine. So means you manage your time according to the, so that you get a better internet connection. Right. So means
Yes,
challenges
sir.
will be there, and every student's preparation challenges will be there, but you have to find a solution rather than giving up. That some people can easily give up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't have internet, I don't have books. People give up. But people like you, they go away and they get the All India rank 27. So great to know that. Did you focus equally on all subjects? of the gate, or you left out one, two subjects, yeah, you faced difficulty in some subjects? What was your strategy regarding to the subjects?
Actually, I left one subject, control systems.
Okay.
At the beginning, I thought I would be completed whole syllabus, so I left the control systems.
Okay.
But at the end of last 1.5 month, so I tried to study some of the topics from control systems. I found them easy.
Okay. Yeah.
So, like I have left at least 10% of syllabus, total syllabus.
Okay. All right. So, but whatever 90% you focused was very strong with you.
Yes, sir.
So, how much focus you gave on the previous year questions? Did you focus the previous year questions of gate, and how did they help you?
Actually, actually, I solved all previous papers before appearing in the test series.
Okay, okay, okay. All means how many years? Like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years? What was your range in that?
Up to 2012, I guess.
Okay, okay. So around 8, 9 years, I can say. So what is your
Yes,
advice
sir.
to the fellow aspirants? How important are previous year questions? Those who are going to give the next year gate examination. What is your message regarding the previous year gate?
Previous papers are very important.
Okay.
Previous year questions are very important as those covers all basic concepts. So we can find where we are weak, where we are lagging. So
Yes.
we can study according to that by attempting previous papers, and we will get an idea about the exam, how the exam will be, how the questions are they are framing,
Yes. We get the clarity
how
of
we need to attempt the exam.
yes, how IIT is making the questions, how your approach should be, how depth they are having, and also that will give you an idea of smart work. Yeah, how selective you have to be, which topic is more frequently asked. Yeah, so that's a very correct approach. So, you being a grade up super student, how did you come to know about grade up? How did you get the information about grade up, and how you felt the facilities of grade up?
Actually, when I started preparation, I was searching for test series. So I have searched from the internet. I have seen many answers in Quora, and I have seen some YouTube sessions also.
All right.
Like some of the students give a review about the test series. So
Okay.
I found it very interesting, and they said it is very useful. So I have taken grade up test series, and I have started solving problems. I found it very useful.
Okay. Okay. So great, great. So it's good that the grader platform helped you in some of the other way. What about your revision procedure? Means you only had 6 months for the total preparation. So did you spare any time for revision? And if yes, how many days you had left for revision in the last?
Actually, revision in my sense is just attempting the test series, rectifying the mistakes, and when I attempt this test series, I will dedicate 1 hour for whole questions. Even if it is correct, I will revise at that time.
Right, right, right. So that means, your test series, whether it is a complete preparation cycle or revision cycle, your test series was a major tool. And analysis, you gave a major
Yes,
role. Yeah, that's very correct because, I feel many students don't just want to appear in the test series. They are feared. If one or two tests goes wrong, they will be demotivated and then that can disturb them. So I think same might have happened with you. Matlab, it's not like every test might have gone good. Maybe one or two tests would have been very low scoring also. So how did were you demotivated that time, and how did you come up with that situation?
sir, I was demotivated some of the time because of the less scores in test series. My confidence dropped. So what I have done is have what went wrong. I have analyzed the situation. Means
Yes.
what I have been means why the questions are I am doing wrong. What is the procedure I am going wrong. So I went to back to the basics, means how to solve a problem, where I had done mistakes. Again, I have revised the problems, and again I will attempt the series. So that is everyday cycle for me.
Okay.
Like I have attempted more and more tests, not only from grade up. I have given other test series also.
How
I
many?
have given at least 50 tests.
Okay, that's a good number. So at least 50 tests, and that is what students. I can tell you one clear thing. With Scienteja and with all the achievers interview that I am taking this year, there's one thing common that, and it will be common every time that students will have difficulty in one or two tests or three tests. They will fail. Okay, but the difference between a topper and those who are not able to get the rank in gate is only that those there are some people after getting demotivated after test, they stop their preparation, okay, or they lose their track. But toppers like you, you also get demotivated after some test, but you have that self motivation ki ultimately you have to achieve GATE. So you analyze this test, you come up with your mistakes so that those mistakes are not repeated. So that's a very big difference between the toppers and those who are not the toppers this year. Okay, so it should be a very strong message to the next year GATE aspirants. Everyone will face challenges in test, but you should never quit. Okay, success will be yours if you keep on trying. All right, so that's good to know about your preparation strategy, Sai Teja. So any special advice to your fellow aspirants regarding those who are preparing for GATE 22?
Like it's never late to start a preparation. Don't lose your confidence. Be strong with your basics and solve as many as tests. Solve as many as problems, so you'll get to know how the problems are failed. You'll get to know where you are committing mistakes. That will be very helpful for you.
Yes. So, guys, of course, it's never too late to begin any examination. I myself, started preparing in July last in my third semester, and I could get my All India rank 9 in third year. It was allowed that time. So, guys, and Sai Teja is another such example. So, I also had a preparation time of nearly 6 months. Sai Teja had 6 months, and many people are having more than 6 months right now. Okay, so that clearly gives you, if you have more time, so this you should get more success. The only thing is your dedication and motivation should be there throughout. So thank you so much, Sai Teja, for sharing your useful words to the fellow aspirants, because we believe your words can change the lives of many students, can motivate them, and maybe next year GATE 22 they also come up with the wonderful result. They try to analyze their mistakes and follow some of your advice. Thank you so much, Sai Teja, for joining us.